Welcome back, folks. Thank you for joining us today. Times are stressful and the news is hard to avoid, but the good news is one type of magnesium helps with stress. Keep watching to learn which one. So today we wanted to specifically share with you the different types of magnesium. There are so many, and their respective benefits and uses. Let's get started. There are different forms of magnesium, and each form may do different things for our bodies. In other words, they may have different clinical uses. Furthermore, the ability of our body to absorb each type of magnesium supplement may vary. But first, a warning. According to WebMD, when taken in very large amounts, greater than 350 milligrams daily, magnesium is possibly unsafe. Large doses might cause too much magnesium to build up in the body, causing serious side effects including an irregular heartbeat, low blood pressure, confusion, slowed breathing, coma, and death. So please keep in mind that too much of a good thing can be fatal. Do check with your nutritionist or medical practitioner before loading up on this nutrient. Now we answer, what is magnesium? According to the National Library of Medicine, it is, like other electrolytes, magnesium's role in the body is diverse and complex. Its action mechanism depends on which organ system is involved and its formulation. This video is meant to summarize important points in order for us all to better understand the benefits. Let's also break down the physiology of magnesium. It is the fourth most common cation ion in the body. Most is intracellular. It is the second most common intracellular cation following potassium. Magnesium plays a vital role in over 300 reactions involving metabolism. It involves hormone receptor binding, muscle contraction, neural activity, neurotransmitter release, vasomotor tone, and cardiac excitability. It is necessary to transport potassium and calcium across the cell membrane actively. The primary 11 types of magnesium are Magnesium Citrate. A very common type is used to prevent and treat deficiency, mainly helpful for constipation, but it also supports bone health by activating vitamin D for calcium and phosphate balance, and it may also lower high blood pressure. Magnesium Glycinate. This type is particularly praised for its ability to relieve stress and anxiety and promote better sleep. While magnesium in its many different forms has been shown to naturally support muscle relaxation, magnesium glycinate might just take the cake. To note, the amino acid glycine is known for the calming impact it can have on the mind and body. It may also provide relief from restless leg syndrome. Magnesium oxide. This compound is also found in milk of magnesia and basically provides the same benefits as magnesium hydroxide. When water is present, keep in mind our bodies contain plenty of water. Magnesium oxide turns into magnesium hydroxide. So basically, magnesium oxide and magnesium hydroxide are often considered interchangeable. Magnesium Malate. This form is highly absorbable by the body, but may cause diarrhea in some people. It is commonly used to treat muscle pain and fibromyalgia. Magnesium Malate is a combination of malic acid and magnesium known to increase absorbability. Malic acid is found in many fruits such as oranges and has many notable health benefits. Malic acid is very rich in apples and pears and is said to be responsible for the sour tastes of these fruits. Magnesium chloride. This type may be used to prevent and treat a magnesium deficiency. The NIH discussed a small trial in Mexico in which study participants with type 2 diabetes and hypomagnesemia, low magnesium levels, received magnesium chloride supplementation for 16 weeks. The result of this showed that participants had reduced fasting blood glucose as well as a lower average blood glucose level. Magnesium sulfate. I'm sure you have heard of Epsom salt being sprinkled in a hot bath to help soothe sore muscles. Well, Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate. It can also be taken as an oral supplement. Supplementation with this type of magnesium may be used to prevent and treat magnesium deficiency as well as constipation. Interestingly, the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, supports the short-term use of magnesium sulfate, administered via injection, to prevent and treat seizures in women with preeclampsia, type of high blood pressure that can occur with pregnancy, or eclampsia, when high blood pressure during pregnancy results in seizures. Magnesium taurate. Taurine is an amino acid, and when combined with magnesium, it is praised for its calming properties. Research has shown that taurine exerts most of its benefits vicariously through other compounds in the body, but exerts some of its own on a cellular level. It is being heavily researched as an anti-diabetic compound due to its actions on organs of the body of most concern to diabetics, kidney, eye, nerve health, as well as controlling blood sugar while reducing some forms of insulin resistance. Magnesium aspartate. Magnesium aspartate is found in animals and plants, especially in sugarcane and sugar beets. It may be a neurotransmitter, according to the NIH. Aspartate is a vitamin-like substance called an amino acid. As a dietary supplement, aspartate is combined with minerals and is available as copper aspartate, iron aspartate, magnesium aspartate, manganese aspartate, potassium aspartate, and zinc aspartate. Aspartates are used to increase absorption of the minerals they are combined with and to enhance athletic performance. Some forms are used to reduce brain damage caused by cirrhosis of the liver, hepatic encephalopathy, when given intravenously by a healthcare professional. This type of magnesium is said to be highly absorbable by the body. Magnesium orotate. Reportedly, this form of magnesium is used to address magnesium deficiency and is relevant for cardiovascular health. According to the NIH, orotic acid acts as a transporter that carries magnesium into the cells. It also exhibits antioxidant properties. Experiments investigating the potential cardioprotective actions of orotic acid in pathological heart conditions are still ongoing. Magnesium hydroxide. Per the National Institutes of Health, NIH, magnesium hydroxide is a solution of magnesium hydroxide with antacid and laxative properties. It is usually referred to as a weak base, which means that it can react with acids. So when you have excess acid in your stomach, taking magnesium hydroxide will usually help because it is able to neutralize the excess acid and relieve symptoms. However, because it's also a laxative, taking huge amounts to treat stomach acid may cause diarrhea. Magnesium L-threonate. This type of magnesium is reported as having a high bioavailability and is especially beneficial for cognitive function. This form allows magnesium to easily pass the blood-brain barrier. A study conducted in Beijing with rats found that this particular type of magnesium supplement is more effective than other magnesium supplements at boosting magnesium in the brain. Rats who received this type of magnesium exhibited better learning abilities and better memory. Well, that was a lot of information to digest. We hope this helps you or someone you love, and please like and subscribe to help more people.